Sup guys, Fire Lego Boy 210 back here. I have some sad news. I will be changing my name to Kai Firemaster. Well, anyway, I have two sets. One is, well, they're both customs. Well, I got one. Well, you should check out finemanderby's channel, because this is where I got the idea from. Finemanderby. And you should also check out Max Rams 100's channel. That's where I got the chambers from. Well, anyway, my first one is BlackSmith Kai custom one, and his blacksmith table. Okay, so let's get started. First, with the minifigure. I forgot to mention this is the one. This is the Kai with his ZX form on, and I can't wait to get the kimono Kai that comes with Kai's Fire Robot. Well, Kai's Fire Mech, that's what the set's called. Well, anyway, here is my custom BlackSmith Kai. He is really cool, and you can see right there, he is holding the sword of fire, and in his right hand he's holding a blacksmith hammer, and he's wearing his little protective helmet, which was just a regular dirt bike helmet. I just cut the thing off. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, same Kai face. And if you're wondering what that little drawing is on his armor, I was trying to make the dragon symbol, but I couldn't. It was just too hard to make. Let's move on to his blacksmith table. finemanderby, if you're watching this, I really love your custom reviews. They're so cool. And could you just judge me to see if this one's close enough to it? You could just comment and say it's really good, Adam. It's so close to mine. Well, actually, it's really good. Kai Firemaster, it's really close to mine. My name is not Adam. Just look at it. Front view, back view, top view, and bottom view. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of weapon holders. Let's count how much there are. 1, 2, 3, so far 3, 4, 5, so far 5. 6, 7. Which other ones are there? So yeah, that's it. 7 only. There's 5 right here. And here is some water right here. 2 skeleton legs holding a black stick. I couldn't find my white one. It was lost in my bin. And here are the pieces that I was going to show, but I just will show them anyway. Here is Kai's ninja mask with the excuse me again, with the silver star on the front right there. And here is his shoulder armor. Now let's get on to his top, to this random top that I built out of some pieces. that out of some pieces from the ultrasonic grater, because I remember I told you that it broke in my last review. So here is the top that I was telling you about. It spins really good. For a little demonstration. Let's get a little closer. Oh, if you do it a good way. You don't want to see that. Here we go. Well, yeah, I can spin real good, but it's really hard to have it spin right now. So yeah, that's pretty much ends my review. And so just like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, just like, comment, and subscribe. And this is 5-Legged Boy 210 out.